Hi guys, today we will talk about how to delete your account on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger. All you have to do, you just go out, you go up here, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this. You just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on personal details, then you come here to next window here and you just go down, then you click here on personal details and you click here on account ownership and control, then you click here on deactivation or deletions, then you click here on your account, then you click here on delete account, you will click here and you click here on continue and it's going to delete with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.